In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the not enough SOL issue in your Phantom wallet. Whether you're a seasoned cryptocurrency user or just getting started, understanding how to manage your wallet balance is key to navigating the digital currency landscape smoothly. So, let's dive in and solve this common problem together. First, let's make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app open. Once you do, log into your account. This is a crucial first step because you need to be in your account to access all the functionalities that Phantom Wallet offers. When you reach your homepage, you'll notice a few essential features right at your fingertips. These include viewing your balance, checking your tokens, and utilizing key actions like receiving, sending, swapping, and buying. It's these options that make managing your cryptocurrency both powerful and convenient. Now let's address the main issue: seeing the not enough SOL message in your wallet. When you encounter this alert, it simply means that you don't have enough Solana to cover the necessary transaction network fees. Without sufficient SOL, you won't be able to complete transactions such as sending tokens or swapping. To resolve this, we need to deposit some SI into your wallet. Start by copying your Solana address. Click on the Receive button. This is your gateway to bringing in more tokens. From the list, select Solana, then click it. You'll see your address pop up, ready to be copied. Copy this address. It's a unique identifier specifically for your wallet, so handle it with care. With your wallet address copied, head over to your exchange platform like Binance or Coinbase. You'll use this address in the withdrawal form of your chosen exchange, directing the transfer of SOL directly into your Phantom wallet. This method is the primary way to top up your SOL balance. Alternatively, you can purchase SOL directly from within the Phantom wallet for a more straightforward approach. Look for the option that says Buy SOL with cash. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter the amount of SOL you wish to purchase. This step is quite intuitive and offers flexibility in managing your investments directly from the app. You can pay using your debit or credit card, making it simple and accessible. Once you've entered your payment details and confirmed the transaction, click Buy, and you'll soon see your SOL balance updated. By following these steps, you should now have enough ASOL in your Phantom wallet to perform transactions smoothly without any hiccups. Keep these methods in mind whenever you need to increase your SOL balance, and you'll enjoy hassle-free transactions in the future. Thank you for watching and happy trading.